Panasonic mixer and grinder is brought to me, and actually while they was using it, it stopped working. So I just want to share some information about some of the electrical machineries which is available, such as the same mixers, vacuum cleaners, even some hair dryers, that it's actually they have a reset button that when the machine gets too hot or overloaded, the machine have got a safety switch which is disconnect the machine from the electricity in order to save the machine. Otherwise, the motor and the electronic part on that, it may burn. So similarly, when this machine is brought to me, because it didn't have any sign of burn or anything, the first thing I have did actually try to see if there is a reset button on the machine. And if you look at the down of this machine now, let me just open the head. If you look at the down of the machine, here is the reset button. This is the reset button, and actually it is mentioned here on the side what is the procedure, but nobody have noticed that. And hopefully this machine have got with this sticker, but some of the machine really doesn't have this sticker. And also the switches are internal, so if you leave the machine get rest for some time, it's a sort of thermostat switch that it will return back itself, and the machine will start after some time. Most of the hair dryers and the vacuum cleaners are equipped with such switches to prevent the machine from burning. Similarly, this is what happened. I just press the button and it's resets, and the machine, it will work again. Now that I have discussed about this machine, if a machine is stopped working, also one of the reason could be the fuse. Most of the machines have got internal fuses, and one of the things which is we should do, we should check the fuse, and this is the fuse here, and we can check it either with the ohm meter, which is we can check if it is working or no. See, you can hear the sound, so it means this fuse is okay. If you don't have the tester and you have reset the button, then you can replace the fuse with one which is, it's working, and check if it is working again. So this is about this. One more thing which is you should know, most of the mixers, they have the switch here. This is again a safety switch that it is when you put the cap only, I mean the jar, it will press these switches and it will work. So sometime also the problem could be with these switches. So with this machine, actually this was the only issue, and once I have reset the switch, it was working, and that's it. I just wanted to share this information. I thought that it may help some of the people, because it's very easy. You don't need to take it to the technician or anything. Just read either the instruction on the catalog or check for the reset switch, and you may be able to just restart your mixer without taking it to the technicians. Also, there is a simple way to know if the electrical part is working very well. In order to do so, we can check it. If you have the tester, we can check it with a tester. So what we'll do, we can have the both connectors on the both side, and now if I press the button, it should give the sound. That this means that the circuits are working and the switches are working. So if it's the circuits are not working, something wrong with the circuit, for sure it will not show that the whole circuit is connected. So if you have a tester, you can simply check the machines, any machine you have got in this way. So you just connect the two power connectors of any machine, and then you put the machine on the on situation, and it should the tester should make the sound, and it should show that it is the circuits are all proper and it's not disconnected or burned. This is the sticker showing how to reset the machine. I'm now going to test that. It's actually working now. And the only thing is, which is I did, is I have reset the switch as it was mentioned in the instruction also. But as this was the first time I have received this mixer, I was not really knowing about that tag which is mentioned. But anyway, as soon as I checked down of the machine, I could see the reset button.